I check for a balance check? It's actually very simple. And I put here 5 steps actually in how to check for a balance check. The first thing you need to do is you need to log in to your CSUN Portal. And once you log into your CSUN Portal, you want to get to the section called CSUN Student Account Information. And that's usually the place where you can actually see how much you owe the university. Once you do that, step number 2, you check the term, and in this case you would check for fall or spring, depending on the term that you're interested in. And then you will see the total charges. Now in this example, to go ahead and see if you're actually going to get a balance check, is to see this example that I'm showing here, that you need to make sure that your tuition or your housing charges have been paid so that you can have a balance of 0. If you have a balance of 0, like in this example in part 2, then you know that, okay, my money has been dispersed and they have already settled the account before I end up getting my balance check. Another way to check too is if you check in section 3 there, where it says anticipated aid. When the aid has not yet paid out, you will see anticipated aid. So right now you're seeing spring as an example here for next semester, because that money is actually on hold until next semester. This example is showing that my fall aid has already dispersed, so it's no longer anticipated. It's already been forwarded to the accounting office. They went ahead and settled my tuition and or housing. And then on part 4 here, if I click on show history, then it will open up literally a whole transaction history of what has been happening to your account. And then on part 5, if you scroll down for the particular semester in question, in this case, let's say it's fall semester, it actually says financial aid balance check. It gives you the amount, and then it actually tells you when that balance check was created. And in this case, for example, it was created on September 8th. That's just an example there. But this is true every semester. Every semester you can go ahead and check if you're getting a balance check, and 2, the amount that you're receiving, and 3, when it was created, so that you can give yourself an idea how soon you're going to go ahead and get and receive the financial aid balance check.